Namaste, dear children. Welcome to today's session. Nidhi, how are you doing today?
I'm good, but it's hot here. So give me a minute. I'll turn on my fan.
Sure. By the way, do you know what fan is called in Sanskrit?
No.
It is Vyajanam. We say Vyajanam to say fan. Okay? Let's repeat Vyajanam.
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 One more time. Vyajanam.
Vyajanam.
Very good. So, you'll tell me now again that you want to turn the fan on using the Sanskrit word.
Yes, I want to turn on Vyajanam.
Very good. Okay.
Uh, just 1 minute. Can
Hmm.
I drink water also?
Sure. Do you know what water is called in Sanskrit? It is
No.
it is jalam. It is jalam. Okay. Let's repeat. Jalam.
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 One more time. Jalam.
Jalam.
Very good. So we saw Vyajanam, that is fan, and we saw Jalam, that is water. Okay. What is that in your hand?
Pen.
That's a pen. So we say lekhani for pen. We say lekhani for pen. Okay. We can use it for pencil also. So lekhani is something with which we can write. Okay. Let's repeat. Lekhani.
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 One more time. Lekhani.
Lekhani.
Very good. So what will we do with lekhani? We write. Where do we write?
In my notebook.
Yes, we write in the book, right? So the book is called Pustakam. We say Pustakam. Let's repeat. Pustakam.
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 One more time. Pustakam.
Pustakam.
So using the lekhani, we write in the
Pustakam.
very good. And when it's hot, we turn on what?
Vyajanam.
Very good. And we also drink?
Jalam.
Yes. Very good. So we have seen four words today. Vyajanam for fan, water, jalam, and lekhani, pen, and we have seen pustakam for book. Okay, very good. So we will meet in next session to learn more interesting words. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಾः.